This is a tutorial on how to navigate your way around the QGIS program efficiently and effectively so that you are familiar with the program before you get started with customizing and printing off your map. You should already have your base layer and your farm features from SnapMaps in place if you followed the last two videos. If not, please reference the Adding a Base Layer map and the Export SnapMap features to QGIS tutorials before starting this one. For easy access and efficiency, we would recommend that you have the Layers panel, the Layer Order panel, and the Browser panel available. If you don't already have these panels visible, go to View at the top of the screen, scroll down to Panels, and put check marks by each of these panels. You can also add any other panels you'd like here. Now when you toggle through the panels, you can see all your files and mapping servers in the Browser panel, which allows you to more easily add new layers. You can then see all the layers and features you've added in the Layers panel and remove layers as needed. You can change the order of the layers in the Layer Order panel by clicking and dragging the layers up or down. You'll want your base layer to be at the very bottom so you can see all your features on top of it. All of the navigation tools for panning and zooming in or out of your map and changing your map view are located at the top of the screen in this toolbar. Another helpful tool is the Identify Features tool, which you can access by going to View, then selecting Identify Features. Once you have this selected, click on a layer in the Layers panel, and then select that feature on the map to view its characteristics. This is the end of the tutorial on how to navigate your way around the different options and tools of the QGIS program to be more efficient in designing your map. You are now ready to customize and create a map of your farm to your liking.